I'm Robin Clevitt, you're watching 101 Uses of a Multi-Tool and we're on tour. We're out on site and I've been tasked with putting an additional single socket in for a bedroom. This is a partition wall, so it's a stud partition, plasterboarded, skimmed over, and we're going to make that in a new position because the customer's changing the rooms around, you know the type of thing. Now, I'm going to be using a single box cutter. It's actually 75mm. It's absolutely perfect for this job. You can do this with a jab saw and all that sort of stuff, but I'm not sure what's going on behind here. There may be some cables, and the beauty about this, it's only just going to go through and not damage anything behind. I might meet a piece of timber or a stud. That's absolutely fine as well. So that's it. This is the product and I'm going to get on with it. So modern tools and innovation allow us to do things that we couldn't do years ago, even 5 years ago. And this 75mm single box cutter is absolutely perfect, and it's a great example of that. So I've come in, I've managed to get this in here. There's no obstructions, a little bit of insulation there. The electrician is going to fish his cables from the loft straight back down to this position, pop a plasterboard box in, put the switch on, sign it off, and it's done. Thanks for joining me on the 101 Things to Do with a Multi-Tool.